जैसे कि सर ने बोला 500 गज़लें हैं, तो मेरे पास मेरी 3 किताबें हैं और हज़ारों पोम्स हैं क्योंकि मैं बहुत सालों से लिख रही हूँ। एंड ये बहुत ही अच्छा इंसान है। ये इंदौर जब आता है मुझे लगता है कि मैं बस आ जाऊँ, भले परफॉर्म ना करूँ या कुछ भी, बट देन ही इज़ अ वेरी वेरी जेंटलमैन, ट्रस्ट मी। क्योंकि जैसे हम लोग एक्सपीरियंस की बात कर रहे थे, इतने सालों से लिख रहे हैं कि पता भी नहीं है कि अब कितना लिख चुके हैं या कितना पढ़ चुके हैं। बेसिकली बॉम्बे से हैं, सो इतने ओपन माइक ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं। बट मैं अपनी बुक से कुछ पढ़ूंगी। एंड प्यार इश्क मोहब्बत नहीं है, एंड आई एम एन इंग्लिश राइटर एंड एन इंग्लिश ऑथर। सो अच्छा लगे तो भी क्लैप कर सकते हैं या स्माइल कर सकते हैं, अच्छा नहीं लगे तो भी स्माइल कर सकते हैं। ये मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ अपने माइक्स में, बिकॉज हंसता हुआ इंसान हमेशा खूबसूरत लगता है। सो स्माइल कर देना, पसंद आए ना आए, कनेक्ट विद द फील दैट व्हाट इज़ द टॉपिक, because English poetry is very different from what we write in Hindi. It is totally different, the style and the syntax. So try to connect with the feeling. And ये वाला जो है ये mental health पे है, so sad नहीं है but mental health पे है, because मैं ज़्यादा प्यार इश्क मोहब्बत लिख के छोड़ चुकी हूँ बहुत सालों पहले। बट जो मेरी नेक्स्ट आ रही है उसमें थोड़ा प्यार और लाइफ और लव है। एनीवे, सो दिस इज़ अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ। नाउ द थिंग अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ इज़ कि हमें पता ही नहीं होता कि हम सैड हैं, कई बार हमें पता ही नहीं होता कि हम डिस्ट्रेस्ड हैं, until somebody tells us that oh my god you're awfully late sad sometimes, तो तुझे कुछ हो रहा है क्या, are you okay, do you really want to talk about it, and etc etc। या फिर अगर कोई बहुत ही genuinely interested होगा जो तुम्हें regularly देख रहा है, तो that person will gonna say seek some help and all। But I think that's also important, but this is about undressing your weaknesses। So you undress your weakness, and that's how you know that you are actually under some mental health distress। Now what is all about? Battling mental health is like battling your mind and soul together. It's always like that. My anxiety always seeks attention. My anxiety and depression always seeks attention. My detailing needs love. My strengths have become my weakness. My strengths have become my weakness now. I feel marginalized in a large society. I feel alone in the vast group of people. I dislike to party anymore. I don't like music anymore. Oh my god, what's happening to me? I don't like my ice creams anymore and chocolates. Oh shit. Am I dealing with some depression? Oh no. Depression is a huge word. Oh my god, am I sick? No. So these are all questions, we keep on asking. So what happens next? Feeling helpless, I hide in my house. Feeling neglected, rejected and dejected, I've stopped listening to music everyone. And every snitch of my body is bearing pain today. Every snitch of my body is bearing pain today. Sadness, stress, disappointment, self-harm. Self-harm. Everything in my stomach churns. Everything in my stomach churns today. My heart seeks sneak interaction. My mind cannot withstand the circumference around people because I hate people. I don't want to be with people. What's happening to me? Am I depressed? Okay, don't worry. Let's break the myth now. Now, breaking the myths, I broke the mirror of anxiety because depression is a liar. I broke the mirror of anxiety because depression is a liar. The devil puts the gun on my shoulder every time telling me what to do right and wrong. And in the majority of the cases, it tells me what to do wrong only. Oh my god, hell of a depression it is. So what? Gradually, I gather myself and I make myself feel what is wrong and right. Self-harm is not needed. No. Self-harm is not needed. So what is needed? You have to power the question. You have to power the question. You have the power to positive energies. You have to power to beat the devil. Because you know why? Why? Because fear questions fear. When you question your fear, the depression goes off. So question. Question as much as you can to yourself. Talk to people around you. Question. Because loneliness, sadness, depression, that fears questioning. Everybody fears questioning, no? So that's how you can beat it. Thank you so much. That was a small one. I really wanted to say that thoda bhi kabhi, if you guys are feeling and if people around you are feeling a little of all this, please talk about it. Find someone in your circle or anywhere. Don't be ashamed to say that, oh my god, मुझे आज बहुत रोने का मन